everyone, it's Desiree. Welcome back to my channel. Thanks for joining me for this video. Today I am cash planning for the week. I have 402 that I plan on putting into all of my envelopes, and I'm going to first start off in my wallet and figure out, well, I already figured out how much is going to go into my wallet. This is getting 170 this week, and that is going to go into my weekly spending cash envelopes. So I have spending, that's going to get $30. Eating out's going to get $30. Groceries is going to get $80. Coffee, $20, and buffer, $10. So that's a total of $170 this week. Oops. I think I did that right. 402 minus 170. Okay, so that I'm left with $232 to go into all of my other envelopes. I'm actually going to first start off in savings challenges. I have a roll the dice kind of challenge right here that I want to do first. So get some dice and a little sticky note. Okay, so this one I'm going to roll 3 times. So that is 3 and 5. So 3 and 5 is a little, it's like a mint ice cream. So that is 4. Okay, next roll. I have 5 and 1. 5 and 1, which is, oh my goodness, I got the $10 treat yourself. 5 and 1. So that's $10. This is getting a lot this week. So usually I don't roll this much. 5 and 6, which is the little waffle, the Mickey waffle, so that's $1. Okay, so this is getting $15 this week. I think that might be the most I've had for rolls for this one on a regular week. So that's pretty good. So I like to get this one out of the way because that one is always up to the dice. So 15. Okay, and then I'll come back to the rest after I do my envelopes. All right, so now that I've done that, I'm gonna go into priority envelopes, and I have a few of those. So we got extra savings, that will get 15 this week. Month ahead will get 15. And then in this binder, I have tires. This will get 15. Tires. And then treat yourself will get 15. Okay. So let's see. Everything else. Yeah, those are my high numbers that or amounts I'm going to put into these envelopes. I'm going to put a lot of 5s, as always. But honestly, adding anything to each envelope, that's all that matters to help build these. So auto, this week I will do 5. Electronics, 5. Emergency will get 10 this week. Already did that one. Furniture will get 5. Already did that one. Rainy day will get 5. Registration's fully funded. Road trip. Actually want to put 10 in here. Scentsy will get 5. Subscriptions will get 5. Travel will get 5. Okay, hopefully I have enough to go into each envelope. We shall see. Go Wild will get 5. Disneyland will get 5, even though I want to put 10. I might put a little bit more later. Fun will get 5. Hobbies, 5. Christmas, 5. And holiday decor, 5. Okay, and then this whole binder will get 5. I already know that. But I'll go through them all. Okay, so beauty, 5. Clothing, 5. Costco, 5. Family, 5. Gifts, 5. Home, 5. Household, 5. Pantry's fully funded, and then Target, 5. Oop. Wait, what did I do? No. I think I was at 37. 5. Oh, no, 37. 5. Okay, so that's 32 left. Okay, I think that's correct. All right, and then let's go to some savings challenges. So I have 100 envelope, which I'll just do 5. I usually use leftover money from my wallet to bump this up a little bit more, but I'll plan for 5. Cash stash, that is currently, I have 20 to add towards whatever I put in this week. I'm gonna do 10 this week. Yeah, I'll do 10. That'll give me 30, and then hopefully I can put more leftover money in here too. Okay, I have a $10 challenge. Oh, I guess I'm not gonna have enough. Okay, 10. No, I am gonna have enough, but I'm not gonna have enough to go back and add anything else. Okay, $10 challenge, $5 challenge. Okay, so that's the $10 challenge. I can do one. $5 challenge, I can do one. And then $2 for the dollar challenge, the leftover $2. Okay, that's the full amount of 402. So I'm gonna double check my numbers because I had a little mess up on the calculator. So I'm just gonna double check, make sure I'm good. Yeah, just make sure I'm good. Okay, so I do have 402, so I'm good. Now I'm just gonna figure out the dollar amounts that I'm gonna ask for when I go to the bank. So Otto is gonna get, oh, you know what, take this out because hitting the rings. Okay, so Otto is gonna get a $5 bill. Electronics will get 5. 10, I have 15, 5, 15, 5, 10, a few 5s here, then 15, 15, and then a bunch of 5s here, down to this line. Okay, then 10, 15, 5, 2, and 10. Okay, let's see if I did that right. I think I did that right. I'm gonna count the tallies. So 50, I have 1, 20s, 3, 10s, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 5s, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29. 29. Okay. And then 7. Okay. Yeah. Looking good. I think looking good. All right, and then I'm going to multiply these. So 50 times 1 is 50. 3 times 20 is 60. 14 times 10 is 140. 29 times 5 is 145. And 7. Okay, let's see if I did this right. I'm going to add all these up. And that'll let me know if everything is good. Or if I need to fix something. Okay, good. 402. Perfect. So my numbers look good. So I can add all this info onto this little sticky note. So I have 50 times 1 is $50. 20 times 3 is 60. 10 times 14 is 140. Ooh. 5 times 29 is 145. And then ones, I need 7 of those, and that's $7. And that is a total of $402 this week that I plan on cash stuffing. Okay, so that is it. I'm gonna take that to the bank, get my money, and then I'll be able to cash stuff. All right, so that's it. If you're interested in getting this printable, it's on my Patreon as a download, so definitely check that out. I just made a new version. I added some shaded lines because I felt like it would be easier to track like where you are on the lines, and so far that is working. I'm not getting confused with what line I'm on. So yeah, you can get it over there along with all the other printables and downloads that are things that I use in my planner. But that is it for this video. I hope you enjoyed watching. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up. If you want to see more, make sure to hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next video.